Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all having brilliant, fantastic, amazing days. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be discussing where is Forex trading legal? Where is it illegal? Is your country banned? The reason for this video is because I got a message from a guy based out of Malaysia that was asking me whether he could get involved in the prop firm space, whether he could get payouts, whether he could sign up. What could he do around the issue, around the matter? Now, recent countries as of the moment have been changing their regulation drastically. This is certainly true for the crypto space. So in France, for example, authorities have sought to heavily restrict both the delivery and promotion of forex and binary options, with brokerage sites that offer high leverage, higher than 1 to 20, likely to be prohibited from marketing their services through digital media. Now, we know within the space that leverage can range from 1 to 10 all the way up to 1 to 1,000. We've got some even very highly regulated brokers, even in the UK, for instance, offering 1 to 500. We can see that within TTT Markets, we can see that within FXLondon. So the fact that they heavily restrict brokerages that have leverage higher than 1 to 20 from marketing their services through digital media, is quite interesting. And the Belgian authorities have gone even further by formally banning OTC Forex, CFDs, and binary options, and suggesting that such derivatives have no place in Belgium's financial marketplace. Similar Forex restrictions exist in Belarus, Canada, China, India, Japan, Iran, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, South Korea, and Turkey, with the latter countries having recently introduced rules that prevent traders from using non-regulated or overseas brokerage sites. Now, I actually agree with some of the rules that South Korea and Turkey have put in place, preventing traders from using non-regulated or overseas brokerage sites. I think that will actually help a lot of traders, avoid losing a lot of money. Okay, now, of course, some people are incentivized and enticed by having higher leverage, leverage of 1 to 1,000, by using non-regulated brokerages. But typically these brokerages, of course, are running, B-book brokerages. They don't have, segregated funds. And so, they can close at any point. And so if people have got money in there, it's not really safe. So I think, that latter rule with those latter countries, South Korea and Turkey, I don't know whether Saudi Arabia comes under that as well, but they're really good rules. I think those are good rules that I think should be brought across into Europe as well. So there's one final thing here. Israel and Malaysia are also countries that have actively banned Forex trading, citing Forex as an unregulated practice that lacks transparency despite its imminent levels of liquidity. Now, the reason largely behind all of this is going to be, of course, the fact that a lot of retail traders are losing money. Underneath all of the brokerage sites, even within some of the prop firms nowadays, we can see the amount of people that blow accounts, lose money on the trading platforms, and also don't pass the challenges. So these small little disclaimers at the bottom of their websites, have a look at them first, because it is quite remarkable. You go onto 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗂𝗥, or you go onto CMC Markets, and you go to the bottom and you'll see it's a stat, quite worryingly high of the amount of people that actually lose money with these platforms. So I'm not surprised that Israel and Malaysia have taken that sort of front with actually banning Forex trading. But I think it's really interesting that these different countries are taking different stances to trading. France, for instance, restricting the promotion of brokerages over 1 to 20 leverage. I think that's interesting. The fact that Belgian authorities are completely banned it. Israel and Malaysia are also doing the same. Other countries like Belarus, Canada, China, India, having similar Forex restrictions. And then we have, South Korea and Turkey just banning non-regulated or overseas brokerages. I think it's going to be very, very interesting to see how that adapts and changes over time, because I think more countries over time will become stricter on, the way that retail traders can trade. But otherwise, hopefully it's given you some information, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.